If you are looking for the best wallet to store your NFT, receive, send, swap, and even stake your coin on the wallet, so hey, what's up guys, welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a useful video where I'm going to show you how to create account on Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is on Solana Blockchain, so everything I will cover in this video. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading, and all updates about cryptocurrency. However, after this we will upload video about NFT marketplace, how you can buy it and how you can create your own NFT. So never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in a comment section, and share this video with all your friends. As I told you in this video, I will show you the best wallet for NFT, where you can store your NFT, where you can store your NFT collection. Even you can buy NFT using this wallet. Besides that, you can receive, send, swap, and stake the coin to this wallet. So the wallet I'm going to talk about in this video is Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is on Solana Blockchain. It means you need to transfer Solana from your other wallet to Phantom Wallet, and then you can do whatever you want to do with this wallet. Even you can buy NFT, even you can sell NFT using this wallet on Solana. I just make a video, so make sure to watch the video about Solana overview. So everything we will cover in this video about Phantom Wallet, how you can create wallet, how you can add this to your Chrom extension. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So this is the official website of Phantom Wallet, phantom.app. This is the URL, and if you check the official website of Phantom, a crypto wallet you will love. Phantom makes it safe and easy for you to store, send, receive, stake, and swap tokens on the Solana blockchain. By clicking on this button, you will add Phantom Wallet to your Chrom extension. Later we will do it together. Turn your browser into a crypto wallet for sure, as we have Phantom Wallet is similar to MetaMask wallet. As you know, MetaMask wallet is the Chrom extension, so the same thing, Phantom Wallet is a Chrom extension. So the same process that you are doing on MetaMask you can do with Phantom, but only Phantom is all in one wallet where you can collect NFT, even you can stake the coin to this Phantom Wallet. So Phantom unlocks a simple and secure ways to interact with blockchain-based applications directly from your favorite web browser. So send and receive, collect NFTs, swap tokens. This is the Phantom Wallet. Here you can check. And then this is all the features of Phantom Wallet, like token swaps, NFTs, and collectibles. We never have access to any of your data or funds. And then if you scroll down, join the Ethereum beta. Just type your email address and join the Ethereum beta. People love using Phantom. Here are some nice things our users have said about us. So you can check. This is all the users just talked about Phantom Wallet. And then try Phantom now. You can see you just add this to Chrome, Brave, Firefox, Edge. So this is the 4 web browser that you can add Phantom Wallet and you can use it. So now, by clicking add to Chrome button here, add to Chrome button, simply click on it. On Chrome Web Store, here you can see the Phantom total, the users is about 1 million, and then click on add Chrome. Now checking add extension. Now this will add Phantom Wallet to your Chrome extension, then you can use it. So wait for a while to just add Phantom Wallet to your Chrome extension. So finally the Phantom Wallet just added to our Chrome extension. Then simply click on this, and then here just click on pin this wallet or pin this extension. Here you can see this is the Phantom Wallet extension, Chrome extension. Now the next step is to create a wallet. If you have Phantom Wallet, simply click on use secret recovery phrase in order to import your wallet to Phantom. If you don't have, so then click create new wallet. So click on create new wallet. This is the 12 phrase that you should save it in a safe place. Never share it with anyone, because if anyone just know about this 12 phrase, so they can they can access to your wallet. Even they can just take your all coins, your NFTs. So make sure to just store it in a safe place. So now I will copy this 12 phrase, and then okay, I save it somewhere. Now click on this button. Now create a password. You just need to create a password in order to log into your Phantom wallet. Once you type the password, then click I agree to the terms of service, click save. So then this is the keyboard shortcut, click continue, and then you are all done. So now your Phantom wallet is ready. You just created your Phantom wallet. The next step is to check this wallet. Okay, now we will check Phantom wallet. Just click on Phantom extension. Here you can see this is your wallet, and here you will see your balance, how much Solana you will have. At bottom you will see all the Solana, all the assets that you have. So it will show you here, and then deposits, sent, and then in next option here you will see all your NFT collectibles. And here you will check your NFT, you will store your NFT to here, and then in this option you will just swap Solana to any other cryptocurrencies, like Solana to any other exchange like USDT, USDC, Serum. So you will just swap your Solana to any of this cryptocurrency. And then if we check here, so you will check all your recent activities, and then this is the setting, like just changing your password, automatic lock. So everything you will find in the setting, like display, language, address book, trusted applications, change password. Even you can change your Phantom password. Auto lock timer, just set a timer after how many minutes or seconds you want to just lock your Phantom wallet automatically. And then let's cancel this. Change network, export private key, show secret. By clicking this button, it will show you the secret recovery phrase. You can remove your wallet. And then if we check this, so you can add or connect new wallet. By clicking this option, it will just add a new wallet, then create a new wallet. Even you can import your wallet, connect hardware wallet. So everything you can do here. So we will close it, and then let's check it. Then lock your wallet. So everything you will do with this Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet is one of the best wallet for NFT. Like you can buy NFT, you can create your own NFT using Phantom wallet. So make sure to just have Solana on your wallet in order to complete the transaction. Now, how to transfer Solana from Binance account or any other centralized exchange to your Phantom wallet, or how to receive Solana to your Phantom wallet. Simply go to your Phantom wallet and click here, copy to clipboard. This is your Phantom wallet address. Even you can click on deposit in order to transfer Solana using other method, like you have FTX, like transfer from FTX centralized exchange, buy with MoonPay, and scroll down you can see many more ways to transfer Solana. So the easiest way to copy or to find your Phantom wallet address is simply click here, copy to clipboard. Once you click here, then go to your Binance account. In Binance account, in here you need to just paste your Phantom wallet address, and automatically it will detect the network. The network is Solana, because Phantom wallet is on Solana blockchain. The minimum withdrawal amount is 0.3 Solana. So make sure just type here 0.3 Solana, and then click on transfer. The transaction fees or the network fees is 0.01 Solana. Here you can see 0.01 Solana network fee, and then click on withdraw option. Click on withdraw option here. Now continue. Simply check everything about the amount, address, network, source. So then click on continue. In next page you need to just complete the security verification. Once you complete the security verification, click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit button, then wait for approval. Your withdrawal request is being reviewed and will take approximately 12 hours. You can view the status of your withdrawal request in the withdrawal history. So it won't take 12 hours, only it will take about few minutes to just approve your withdrawal and check your Phantom wallet whether you have received your Solana or no. Now let's click complete, and then let's click on Phantom extension here. Let's check whether we have received our Solana or no. Okay, finally we received our Solana. Here you can see I have just about 0.29 Solana, and the value is $49.98. So in 24 hours the Solana price just decreased about 6.96%. Now you have Solana on your Phantom wallet, and then you can do everything. You can buy NFT, even you can create or upload your NFT to many NFT marketplace. So if you check here how you can swap a Solana to any other cryptocurrency, in here you can select a Solana, and then in bottom you can select USDT or any other cryptocurrency. So for now I will select USDT. After that you need to type the amount of Solana that you want to convert from Solana to USDT, or you want to swap from Solana to USDT. Suppose I want to swap 0.1 Solana to USDT. So I'm going to receive about 70.04 USDT dollar. And then the slippage tolerance is about 1%. It means the transaction percentage, or the slippage tolerance is about 1%. The estimated fees is about 0.35 USDT. So if I click here, review order, so let's click on review order. You pay 0.1 Solana, you receive 17.04 USDT. When you click on swap button, then definitely your Solana will be converted or will be swapped to USDT, and you will receive USDT too. And then your USDT will be shown here under the Solana coin. Here you will see Solana, and at the bottom you will see USDT coin. So like this you can swap Solana to any other cryptocurrency. Okay, now how you can stake Solana on Phantom wallet in order to get a passive income. So come to your Phantom wallet, simply click on Solana coin. Click on it, and here you can see start earning Solana, stake tokens and earn rewards. Simply click on this option. Okay, in here you have several validator where you can stake your Solana. Like we have stake.systems, SangNote, Certus One. If we scroll down here, you will find several methods to stake your Solana. So all of them, the transaction fees is 10%. So suppose I will select stake.systems, click on it. Now type the amount of Solana that you want to stake. So I will click on maximum. So stake.system commission is about 10%. Total stake is 156,000, and this one is the delegators. So here you can see I have just 0.289945 Solana, because as I told you 10% will be to the transaction fees. Then you need to click on stake button. Simply click on stake button. Like this your Solana will be staked here, and then you can receive a passive income by staking your Solana to Phantom account. Just because now I don't need to just stake my Solana, because I'm just going to upload my own NFT. So I will upload video about that. So that's why now I need my Solana coin. I don't want to stake it, but the process is like this. Simply click on stake button. If you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm here to give your answer. To not forget, let me tell you how you can send Solana from your Phantom wallet to other crypto wallet like Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet. So how you can do it? Simply click on send option. In here select the coin, like I'm just going to transfer or I'm just going to send Solana. So simply click on Solana, and next option you need to paste the recipient address. In here you just need to paste the Solana wallet address. Paste the wallet, type the amount of Solana that you want to transfer, and click on next option. Like this you can transfer or you can send Solana from Phantom wallet to any other crypto wallet. So I hope you understand everything about Phantom wallet that I just told you in this video. I hope you understand everything. If you have any problem or question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Like this, our video just end up here. Make sure to like our video. Type your ID in the comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. To the next video, goodbye, see you.